you thinking of buying from Lucky Bear & Co. because of their charming personalized jewelry and their promise of free worldwide shipping? Before you spend your money, there are a few things you need to know. On the surface, LuckyBearCo.com looks like a dream come true for gift shoppers and jewelry lovers. They advertise a wide variety of elegant and trendy pieces, from custom-made bracelets and initial necklaces to pearl jewelry and minimalistic accessories that seem perfect for special occasions. Their website is clean, visually appealing, and makes bold promises about product quality, fast delivery, and hassle-free shopping. But once you scratch beneath the surface, things start to look very different. Many real customers have shared troubling experiences, raising red flags about how the store actually operates. There are repeated complaints of orders that never arrive, and when they do, the products often fall short of expectations, sometimes arriving damaged, poorly made, or looking nothing like the pictures shown online. What's even more frustrating is the customer service or lack of it. Buyers have reported that emails go unanswered, return requests are ignored, and there's no real way to get a refund when things go wrong. The return policy sounds good on paper but doesn't seem to hold up when tested in reality, leaving buyers feeling helpless and scammed. While Lucky Bear & Co. may not openly appear as a scam, the number of unresolved complaints and the consistency of negative feedback suggest it's far from reliable. It's one of those stores that walks a fine line, attractive enough to tempt buyers, but risky enough to leave many regretting their purchase. If you're someone who values your time, money, and peace of mind, it's probably a good idea to explore other more reputable jewelry brands before clicking buy now.